In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses on Kashflow. Managing your business finances is crucial, and Kashflow can be a great tool to streamline this process. Let's dive in and guide you through the steps. First, we'll begin by navigating to the dashboard on Iris Kashflow. To do this, open your preferred web browser and enter the Kashflow URL, or click on your saved bookmark. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your financial activities, which is the perfect starting point for recording any new expenses. Next, you'll need to click on the Purchase Orders tab. This tab is where you can manage and track the purchases necessary for running your business. Clicking here will take you to a section specifically dedicated to managing these orders, a place where you can keep them organized and easily accessible. Once you're in the Purchase Orders section, look for and click on the option to create a purchase order. This is where we begin inputting the specific data related to the expenses you wish to record. It's important to ensure you're entering details accurately to maintain effective financial records. Now go ahead and type in the purchase order number. This number is unique to each order and is essential for tracking and referencing within your records. It ensures that each transaction can be quickly identified without confusion, so do take care to assign it correctly. After that, type in the purchase order reference. This reference can be anything that helps you connect the order to specific details or projects in your business. It's a personal touch that can make later reviews of finances smoother and more intuitive. We're moving smoothly along, and the next step is to add your supplier details. Make sure to include comprehensive information about your supplier, such as their name, company, and contact information.